My question is, sometimes at our Jamaat events, we invite guests who do not advocate for justice, peace, or humanity. What is Huzoor's guidance in this regard? Jazakallah.
If you have very close relation with those people, you can tell them that our Jamaat's practices and teaching is that we help all the needy people. We try to establish peace and harmony in the society and in the world. And therefore, this is not only our slogan, but we want to apply it in our life, and we want to establish it in the world as well. And if they say no, then you should not call them in your functions. You see, we don't need any worldly help from these people.
Ji.
Right?
Ji.
But if you know somebody who is speaking against Muslims, who is not respecting and honoring the rights of the people, then he should not be invited in any of our functions. You can inform the administration. If I come to know any person who is not establishing peace in the society or even disturbing it, then I normally ask the administration to never invite them. There have been so many occasions when we withdrew our invitation.